Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Let's clean up your inbox. First, open your Instagram app. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, look at the top right and tap the three lines. That's the menu button. From there, scroll down a bit and select Messages and Story Replies. Now tap on Message Requests. You'll see a section called Who Can Send You Message Requests. Change that setting to No One. This will stop strangers from sending you new message requests. Next, find Who Can Add You to Group Chats. Switch that to people you follow or have messaged before. That way, random accounts can't add you to spam groups. Finally, turn on Hide Unwanted Message Requests. This helps filter out spam automatically. And that's it. Your Instagram inbox should now be much quieter and spam-free. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and follow for more quick and easy tech tips. See you in the next one.